Hello and welcome guys, this is Next Level Tech and we bring you some of the most amazing smart gadget videos that will make your kitchen life easy. I hope you guys will like this video, so let's begin. A small but useful gadget to be added to your kitchen gadgets. And here comes my favorite gadget. I am sure you will also find this one interesting. Have a look at this. To buy this, check out the link in description. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section. To buy these gadgets, you can always check out the link in description. If you find any link missing, let us know in the comment section. For more interesting and amazing gadgets, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for future updates. See you in the upcoming video. Till then, take care.